Both schools arrived about 2 hours early. They were ready to go. It's a good thing they got there early because Glacier Peak started fast. The spread offense, usually a quick throw and a couple of broken tackles. You see what I mean? Sean Elledge into the end zone, 31 yards away. Now Snohomish down 15-0, got back in the game. Kyle Giannette to Russell Crippen. The throw and catch set up a short touchdown run by Boomer Vuori. And he also had a great kickoff return in the game. So the gang in red was all fired up. But the Grizzlies scored 50 points 6 times last year. They know how to light up the scoreboard. Another quick throw from Chris Becerra to Cody Campo, 22-7. They scored again just before the half. This time, nothing short. They went deep, and Quentin Dunbar is all alone. 29-7, the Grizzlies rolling right along. Yeah, number 5 knows what's up. Second half, more of the same. This time the Grizz did it on the ground. 2 long touchdown runs. Josh Pinka capped it off with a 54-yarder. They got near their average. Glacier Peak 43. Their new rival, Snohomish, 7.